I took 3 years worth of workshops with Adam Rutter, and it was definitely something that, as far as confidence building goes, I have a permanent ability in my life to infuse play and joy into some of the most mundane situations, sometimes very stressful situations, to just bring a perspective of something else that can make it a little bit lighter. But either way, that's me personally. I feel like, in the sense of confidence building for improv, I could go on and on about what it kind of wires up in your brain to not be as inhibited, to be free in, the childlike spirit that we all had once upon a time. And when you have that sense of confidence, it is truly a skill set that evolves, because life always dishes out so many various scenarios, and it's not always time for play, but it is always time for, just being aware and present with the situation and adding to it whatever you can creatively. And sometimes under stress, the creative part is out the window and it's all infused with stress. So I feel like, in the sense of confidence, it's amazing. It's amazing what it does for public speaking. It's amazing what it does for just light social interactions. I felt like I had rehabilitated myself as an awkward introvert. And now, I have the joy of, 10 years later, I get to perform in improv, which is just amazing, because it wasn't something that I thought taking those classes with Adam would ever evolve to later in the years, because I didn't think I had the confidence. So it turns out 3 years worth of all those classes actually wired things up permanently to the point where it's just intuitive. And I couldn't be more grateful for Adam Rutter and the types of ways that he facilitates. Isn't necessarily just to be an improv performer, but to look at life as the improv stage, and how do you take it on?